2025 is the perfect time to make money using AI. But let me tell you, this isn't about throwing darts and hoping something works. My plan is super clear, and it starts with building out mini businesses that not only make money, but also prove I know my stuff before I move into consulting. I'm about to walk you through exactly how I'm planning to do this and how you could follow along too. Step 1. The first business I'm diving into is creating AI-generated websites for small businesses. Many local businesses still have outdated websites, or worse, no websites at all. This is where tools like Framer and Koala Writer come in, making the process fast, affordable, and professional. Here's how I'll start. First, I'll research local businesses in my area. I'll use Google Maps and search for industries like local restaurants, plumbers, or small retail stores. Many of these businesses don't have websites or have ones that look like they're stuck in 2005. Once I've put together a list of potential clients, I'll reach out to them directly via call or email. I'll explain how a modern SEO-friendly website can drive traffic to their business and how I can make this for them. Once I've gotten the client on board, I'll move on to actually creating the website for them. To do this, I'll go into Framer, which is a user-friendly website design platform powered by AI. If you don't have an account, create one, then log in. Framer offers pre-made templates which are perfect for small businesses. I'll select a business-relevant template. For example, something clean and professional for a lawyer, or vibrant and dynamic for a cafe. Framer's AI helps me adjust layouts, fonts, and colors with low effort. Let's say I'm creating a website for a cafe. I'll search cafe and see which templates come up. I can open this one up. Once the structure is in place, I'll open Koala Writer to handle the content. You can check this out using the link in the description. Its blog post generator is perfect for creating professional, keyword-rich text. Here's how I'll use it. I'll log into Koala Writer and pick the blog post option. For the target keywords, I'll type in best coffee shop in Brooklyn, New York. I'll pick AI-powered SEO optimization. I'll make the article length short. Then I'll pick the SEO-optimized tone of voice, though this might be different depending on what the client wants. I'll pick the language, country, and then point of view, which would usually be first personal plural, like our coffee shop. Then I'll click on Create Article. After generating the content, I'll polish it and turn it into sections that can fit the pages like About Us and Services on the website. I'll also include any other details the client would like visitors to know. With the website ready, I'll present it to the client as a mock-up and offer affordable pricing to close the deal. This will establish my reputation as someone who delivers results. As I build more sites, I'll collect testimonials and start upselling add-ons like monthly maintenance or SEO updates to create a steady monthly income. Step 2. The second business I'm launching is LinkedIn personal branding with AI. Founders and creators know they need a strong LinkedIn presence, but they usually don't have the time or know-how to make it happen. Here's where I'll step in. To start, I'll market this service through LinkedIn itself. I'll optimize my profile by stating my expertise, helping entrepreneurs build standout LinkedIn brands using AI. Then I'll connect with founders in my network and join groups where professionals talk. I'll post regular updates showcasing my work, like before and after examples of LinkedIn profiles I've revamped. I can also post my services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. www.fiverr.com, www.upwork.com. When a client hires me, I'll begin with a LinkedIn audit. I'll use Koala Writer again, but this time for creating engaging LinkedIn posts. Since there's no dedicated LinkedIn feature, I'll use the blog post option like we did in the first step and modify it. This way, my client's posts will not only do well on LinkedIn, but will also be searchable on Google, which is a huge bonus that I don't see anybody else offering. Again, I'll include things that make sense for the clients, whether it's a call to action to get people to follow my client or to subscribe to their newsletter. For images, I'll use Canva. I can use this to create great LinkedIn profile pictures and also to create carousel posts summing up the Koala Writer article. I'll upload brand colors and logos to make sure everything matches the client's branding. My package will include a strategy for posting regularly, about twice a week. I'll also track analytics to show how their reach and engagement improve over time. Over time, I'll establish a reputation as the go-to person for LinkedIn personal branding, which will make scaling this business easier. Step 3. Next, I'll tackle AI avatar creation for personal branding. This one's exciting because it combines insanely human AI tools like Synthesia to create something truly unique for busy professionals. Here's the pitch. Many business owners want to create video content, but they don't have the time or confidence to be on camera. With an AI avatar, they can produce high-quality videos without even stepping into a studio. I'll start by reaching out to potential clients, coaches, consultants, and course creators who already rely heavily on content but want to scale their output. The process is straightforward. First, I'll ask the client to record a short video, just 10 minutes of them talking naturally in a quiet place with good lighting. I'll also ask them to record a consent video to acknowledge that Synthesia has the right to create their avatar. This is enough for Synthesia to create an avatar that looks and sounds like them. I'll log into Synthesia, then head to the Avatars tab. Then I'll pick the option to create a custom avatar. I'll upload my client's video and consent, then submit it. The avatar should be ready in about 24 hours. These AI avatars are ideal for explainer videos, online courses, or even customer service. Once the client sees how easy it is to produce content on demand, they're likely to come back for more, giving me another steady revenue stream. Step 4. Finally, all these mini businesses will position me perfectly for AI automation consulting. By this stage, I'll have hands-on experience with AI tools across different industries, so I can confidently approach larger businesses with automation solutions tailored to their needs. For example, let's say a company spends hours answering basic customer inquiries. I'll explain to them how to use Koala Writer to create an SEO-optimized FAQ page. If a client wants their website to rank higher on Google, I'll take them through the process of writing SEO-optimized blog posts with Koala Writer and adding them to their website to boost their ranking. I can also explain how to use Synthesia to create an avatar for the videos on their website. And I might even suggest that they start a YouTube channel by uploading the Synthesia-generated videos. Essentially, I'm going to look for every gap in their business where I know I can help them with my knowledge. I'll highlight my background in AI by showing them how I used Koala Writer for website content, LinkedIn strategies, and Synthesia avatars to save time and deliver results. People are willing to pay experienced consultants a lot of money. I can charge thousands of dollars for just getting on calls and putting together plans for businesses. By combining all these strategies, I'll build a proven track record in using AI to drive business success. This will make it much easier to attract consulting clients who are willing to pay top dollar for my expertise. The key is to start small, demonstrate real results, and scale up gradually. What do you think of my plan? Have you tried offering any of these services before? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.